Dear student, today we will discuss about the decision making environment. Means what are the situation in which a decision maker takes decision. So these situations are certainty, risk, uncertainty. We will discuss these situations one by one because the quality of the decision made in an organization will dictate the success or failure of the said business. So, all the available information and alternatives must be studied before arriving at an important decision. The process of decision making will help a great deal. Another factor that affects these decisions is the environment in which they are taken. There are a few different types of environment in which these decisions are made, and the type of decision making environment has an impact on the way the decision is taken. Broadly, there are three basic types of decision making environment. Let us take a brief look at each of them. So first one is situation of certainty. Certainty situation is one where the outcome of a specified decision can be predetermined with certainty. Means each action lead to only one outcome. For example, if there are three types of machines, say X, Y and Z, which can take a given job with same level of required accuracy, and if the setup time for these machines and operating time per piece on them are known, and we are to find out on which machine an order of given quantity should be processed. Such a situation neither involves competitive nor probabilistic phenomena. The various important techniques for taking decision under condition of certainty may be techniques used in transportation problem, simplex method for LPP, activity analysis, and various mathematical calculations and formulas are available for different application in business. The second situation is situation of risk. The risk situation is one in which decision maker knows the likelihood that each of the various states of nature will occur. It means each action will lead to one outcome, each with a known probability. It is a situation where there are many states and the decision maker knows the probability of occurrence of each state. Such decision situations are frequent in business and industry, for in many business problems, the probabilities of various states are known by determining how frequently they occurred in the past. Third and the last situation, situation of uncertainty. Uncertainty situation is one when the probabilities associated with the state of nature are unknown. Means decision making under uncertainty is more difficult than decision making under risk. Many of the major decision problem of business involving situations of uncertainty. For example, if an executive says that the chance that within next 6 months the project will be completed successfully is 75%, then the executive is making a subjective statement and is based on his past managerial experience. Obviously, under the situations of uncertainty, there is no one based single criterion for taking a decision. So these are the some situation where the decision maker takes decision. These are also called the decision making environment. Thank you.